If we break like 80, bro, we're going to 70. Crypto is cool because you check numbers. That's 1% of the population check. So how do you position yourself right now? What do you do? We're going to talk about macro. We're going to talk about Trump. We're going to talk about why the fuck everything is going down. Today was a good day because we had the CPI number, the consumer price index. It was supposed to be bullish for crypto. Higher CPI, higher inflation, tighter Fed policy. If inflation spikes, the Fed raise interest rate, which means like borrowing money is getting more expensive. If CPI comes in higher than expected, market price in more Fed tightening, we get risk off sentiment and crypto dumps. If CPI is lower, the opposite happens. If CPI comes in below 2.9, below the expected numbers, we can see a rally. We had that at 1:30 p.m. CET. US core CPI month to month, US CPI month to month, and CPI year to year. The previous one was 0.4. The forecast for this one was 0.3. And the actual data was 0.2. And month to month expected 0.3, 0.2, 2.9 for the year to year, and we get 2.8. I think we would have like a better response for the crypto market if it was 2.5 or even below 2.5.
Oh, right? Yeah, but that's a big difference.
Because it didn't move the market that much.
No difference at all.
Yeah. And Bitcoin is reacting at 81, 82. That's good.
I'm happy we didn't go down further.
If we break like 80, bro, we're going to 70.
Yeah. This is good. We have the better CPI. It didn't break the floor.
Good news for crypto in general. But it could be also short-term pain that going away, right? Honestly, like crypto is kind of cool because of that, because you check numbers. That's 1% of the population check.
I think most people don't even know what this means or calculates. They just say everything gets more expensive again.
Which is also true, bro. Basically, what's happening now, the inflation is going down. The Fed can cut interest rate, and then people can borrow more money and it gets less expensive. So people buy Bitcoin.
I hope they do.
So how do you position yourself right now? What do you do?
I'm just watching the resistance on the chart, and I'm comparing all the other numbers that we have, like the inflation and everything else, to see if I can make a guess what's going to do up or down. And that's what makes me decide on where to go.
It's still trending down, but it also not breaking the support at 80, get bought. If this one is strong, that's good.
That's good, because if it isn't, it just keeps going down. And when you see small peaks up, it never goes further up.
So that means like the trend will break in either direction, because again, if you do that, you can either break here or here, but around April, May. But if it's pumped in April, then we can be good.
It just needs to break out to the top and not to the bottom.
Which figure is that? Is that a falling edge?
Yeah, falling wedge.
I don't say, holy shit, that's crazy, bro. Bro, that's exactly what we're describing. We are so good, man.
And then you're just hoping for a reversal.
Bro, we are on point. It's crazy. If we have the uptrend here, then we have the range here. So the trend is still up, and then we have the falling wedge in the uptrend. If we break up, then we are going back to 100K, because we continue the fucking uptrend. And then the bull market is not over. But if we break this falling wedge, we are fucked. And then bear market. What do you think about the tariff policy?
For me, locally, it's good. But crypto world, in the world economics, I think it's bad.
From an American perspective, it makes sense, because it's just like fucking diplomacy with a bazooka, right? Well, you say, if you don't do that, I will put 50% on you, and then you fucked, right?
Well, normally the people that I've met that do that are the bullies running a company.
Bro, Trump is a fucking bully. His diplomacy strategy is bullying people.
Yeah.
The same way he bullied like New York to buy real estate there. Like some stories about Trump managing real estate, it's insane. I read some stuff on internet, so of course it's true. They were saying like, we don't want to work with Trump because he's not paying contractors.
Yeah, but that's what he's doing right now. He's just adding tariffs, but it is the same idea.
Yeah. You can fuck a couple of contractors in New York, right? But if you fuck the whole economy, that's another game.
Some of the good traders have a lot of patience and a lot of side work.
My P&L is telling me that I'm shit, but maybe I'm good. If the war in Ukraine is over, it should bring more stability to the world. Then we should see more risk assets.
It
more
should
back.
give a positive influence.
That means like it's still like 6 months away from now.
All the news that we had that we thought that would let the price explode, it is just delayed.
Yeah, and then we have a final leg up by the end of the year, and then cash out disappear for 4 years, and then see ya, bye bye.
We don't.
And if you go to the meme coin, Doge went all-time high at 75, and now it's like 17. I want to leverage that shit, man. I'm gonna max out my leverage. I want to trade that.
And then the strategy is to create 50 posts on X every day mentioning Doge and tagging Elon, hoping that he will retweet. Do it. But even if it goes back to 75, I'm taking some longs at a lower leverage and just let him go up for the next year, 2 years, or whatever is needed.
Trump,
that one is dead.
Are you shorting that?
No, I didn't touch it.
With Trump, like you are one tweet away from a fucking rally.
Even cool to put $100 in.
No, just wait. You consider it dead, then it pump, and then you short it back as soon as he's not talking about it. That's my strategy for all of those coins. It's gonna be that. Even fucking Doge, if there is a quiet reversal, let's say it's closing 20, 25, 30, you can even like have long on 40s, 75, I would say. Because see, you have a pump and a fucking tweet, and then it's going south, and then nothing happened. I will even like wait for Elon tweet about Doge, whatever bullshit, and then slowly get a short, because it goes south all the time. And then you have a fucking tweet. So you don't want to short during that time, right?
No, you want to wait.
Exactly. So you wait for a news, like a fucking tweet from Musk. And then as soon as it starts to range up, then you fucking short that shit. You can short that and have like a tight stop loss. As soon as you see like the first red candles, I will make those shorts, man. But see, it's the same fucking figures. And you can even like have a small leverage and then decrease the leverage, or even have more short. You open a 5x leverage, and then if you're right, then you can increase and open more position.
You go to 15x or
yeah,
whatever.
exactly. I think that's gonna be my strategy. Right now, I don't do too much shit. Yeah, this one is savage. If you start here and then you say, oh yeah, I'm gonna
you get liquidated instantly.
That was tricky with leverage, right? Because if you go all in on Mudeng short here, and then you get fucked, then you don't have money, you blow your account. But you're still right.
But you're back to just watching Mudeng memes on the timeline. But you can also say there always is a second top, almost always. Oh. You can also say, I will just go in after the second top. That's this less profit, but safer bet. How are you going to prepare for the next week?
Still, my bag is in on flash trade right now. I will print even more money, so that's good. More money, more problem, but that's fine. I think right now, I will wait for the market to see if there is like some support validation at the Bitcoin price at 80, and then act after that.
It's all about patience and getting in at the right moment.
And while we are patient, we can develop everything else.
And make even more money.
What about you, man? What are you doing?
I did a few shorts, but just small ones. And at this moment, I'm waiting to see what it does as well. Because I'm not that good at waiting.
Thank you, everyone. Thank you so much, Michel, for your time. Subscribe to the channel. Follow Michel. All of the links are in the description. Blah, 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 blah. Anyway, nobody's watching this moment.
And until next time.
Yeah. Peace out.